At lalong-lalo kay Secretary Luis at kay Secretary Rivera, tama po sinabi ni Dax for giving us the venue para po makapag-donate ng mga ganitong bagay. Because siguro for private citizens like me, pagdating po sa mga sakulang ganito, sa mga disasters, we all ask how can we help, where do we help, at ano po pwede natin gawin. Minsan, it's not enough just watching the news because even us, we do not know what to do. But I am very fortunate to be part of the S. Pinoy Foundation because in our 2 years of existence, we've always focused on giving access to education by giving disaster response training dun sa mga 12 areas na nagawa po namin last year. And of course, to responding to calamities like Ondoy and the others in the past years. Pero ngayon ako sa different case. Kaya nga po, kahit hindi pa po ako nakakapunta mismo personally sa Cagayan de Iligan, which I intend to do next week to give out these donations, nagpapasalamat po ako sa leadership ng DepEd for insisting na ituloy po nila at i-open nila yung classes sa January 3. Noong January 3. Dahil naniniwala po ako na part ng rehabilitation, talagang i-engage natin yung mga bata na ma-normalize yung buhay nila kahit pa paano. And of course, gaya ng sabi ni Dax, we cannot do everything and we cannot do everything instantly. But everyone can do something. Kaya nga po, with the efforts of the S. Pinoy Foundation, through Sterling, nagpapasalamat po kami sa donation na binigay nila, na inaabot po namin ngayon sa DepEd para sa mga estudyante na willing magsimula kahit noong January 3 nahihirapan sila, nandun pa rin sila at present sila dahil sila niniwala sila sa education. So maraming salamat sa Sterling. And on that note, I would also like to make a call that it doesn't end here. Maaring we will give thousands of school supplies and notebooks today, pero pa pwede po siya magpatuloy. In as much as 100 pesos, we will make a call that kapalit po ng 100 pesos na donation, sa loob po ng isang New Year's gift package na naglalaman ng notebooks, pencils, sharpeners, erasers, at envelopes para po mabigay sa mga estudyante mag-uumpisa ulit sa kanilang pag-aaral ngayong taon. Dahil naniniwala kami kahit matanggal man, lahat sa kanila, they can never take away the education from our children. So, thank you very much in that.